LS-1500T, true, double pressure, static brick press. 4. Pressing phosphogypsum blocks. Analogue double press for slag smelting briquettes. LS-30 brick machine to produce U-channel bricks. The largest brick machine on the market in terms of production area. Sold to Guangdong LS-15 brick machine to produce PC bricks. The first one purchased by this brick factory. Sold to Guangdong LS-15 brick machine to produce PC bricks. The second one purchased by this brick factory. LS-18 type brick machine to produce highway slope bricks. This brick machine produces highway arch berm bricks. This brick machine produces large, water conservancy hydraulic bricks. LS European version, multifunctional, no berm, brick integrated machine. To LS pallet-free brick-making machines. Simple type automatic production line, automatic packing. RGV daughter, car mother, car curing, kill automatic. Production line into the curing hill. RGV daughter, car mother, car curing, kill automatic. Production line out of curing hill. High-level lifting plate, lowering plate type. Sub-mother, car curing kill production line.